Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Easy with Podcast. I'm John.
And I am Olivia. Welcome, friends. Today we have a very interesting topic.
Yes, we do. Today, we will talk about hobbies. Did you know that your favorite hobby is actually making your brain stronger?
It is true. Doing something fun can change your brain. Stay with us because reason number 4 is very surprising.
Are you ready to learn and practice your English? Let's start.
First, let us explain. What is a hobby?
That is a good question. A hobby is an activity you do for fun. You do it in your free time.
Yes, it is not your job. It is not work. It is something you love doing.
For example, playing football is a hobby. Reading books is a hobby.
Cooking is a hobby too. Listeners, do you have a hobby?
What is your favorite hobby? Tell us in the comments what you think. We love reading your comments.
Okay, let's talk about the first reason. Why are hobbies good for your brain?
Reason number 1. Hobbies reduce stress.
That is very important. Life can be busy. Sometimes life is stressful.
Yes, maybe you work hard all day, maybe you study a lot.
When you feel stressed, your brain is tired.
But when you do your hobby, you relax. Your brain takes a break.
It's like a small vacation for your mind. You forget about your problems.
Exactly. For example, my hobby is gardening. I like planting flowers.
Oh, I love gardens. Does it help you relax?
Yes, very much. When I work in my garden, I feel very calm. The stress goes away.
That is wonderful. My hobby is painting. When I paint, my mind is quiet.
That sounds lovely. What about you, listeners? Does your hobby help you relax?
How do you relax after a busy day? Write your answer in the comments.
Also, before we continue, please don't forget to like this video.
Yes, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us make more lessons for you.
Thank you for your support. Now, let's move to reason number 2.
Reason number 2, hobbies teach your brain new things.
Yes, when you learn something new, your brain works hard. It makes your brain grow.
This is very good. It keeps your brain young and healthy.
The brain is like a muscle. You must exercise it.
Just like your body needs the gym, your brain needs a hobby.
For example, learning a new language is a great hobby.
Yes, just like our listeners are doing now. You are learning English.
Exactly. You're exercising your brain right now. Great job, everyone.
Every time you learn a new English word, your brain gets stronger.
Stay with us because reason number 3 will show you how to be happier.
But first, it is time for our first quiz.
It is quiz time.
Here is a question for you.
What does a hobby do to your stress?
Option A, it makes your stress higher.
Option B, it reduces your stress.
Take a few seconds to think.
The correct answer is option B. It reduces your stress.
Did you get the correct answer? Tell us in the comments.
Welcome back. Now let us look at reason number 3. Hobbies make you happy.
Yes, when you do something you love, you smile. You feel joy.
And when you are happy, your brain makes happy chemicals.
It is like a natural medicine for your mind.
Listeners, do you follow this rule in your life? Do you make time to be happy?
It is very important to make time for yourself. What do you think about this rule?
Some people love playing the guitar. Music makes them happy.
Some people love baking cakes. Baking makes me very happy.
And I love eating your cakes, Olivia.
I will bake one for you soon, John.
Thank you. Let's do a short recap.
Good idea. Let us remember what we learned.
First, hobbies reduce your stress.
Second, hobbies help your brain learn new things.
Third, hobbies make you feel happy.
Very good. Short recaps help us remember.
Now, are you ready for reason number 4? This is the surprising one.
Reason number 4. Hobbies improve your memory.
Wow, improve memory. How does that work?
Well, when you do a thinking hobby, you must remember many things.
Ah, I understand. Like playing chess.
Yes, chess is a great example. You must remember the rules of the game.
You must remember the moves. You must plan.
It is a big workout for your brain.
So, if you want a strong memory, start a new hobby.
Try puzzles, play chess, or learn an instrument.
Listeners, do you like playing games like chess or puzzles? Let us know in the comments.
Do you want a better memory? Tell us.
Now, let's do our second quiz. It is quiz time.
Here is a question for you.
Which hobby is a big workout for your memory?
Option A, watching television.
Option B, playing chess.
Take a few seconds to think.
The correct answer is option B, playing chess.
Great job if you guessed correctly.
We are almost at the end of our podcast, but we have one more reason.
Reason number 5. Hobbies connect you with other people.
This is very true. When you have a hobby, you meet new friends.
If you like playing football, you join a team.
If you like reading, you join a book club.
Sharing your hobby with friends is fun.
And talking to new people is also very good for your brain.
Yes, sharing ideas and laughing together is healthy.
It stops you from feeling lonely.
Talking and laughing with friends keeps your mind active. It keeps your brain young.
So go out there and find a hobby.
Find something you love. Do it often.
Your brain will thank you. Your life will be happier.
We hope you enjoyed this podcast today.
We really enjoyed talking with you.
Before we go, a friendly reminder to like this video.
And please subscribe to our channel for more easy English conversations.
Also, write a comment below. What is your favorite hobby? We want to know.
Remember, every new word you learn makes your brain stronger.
Thank you for listening to Speak English Easy with Podcast.
See you next time, friends. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Keep practicing your English.